Next to 24, direct answer. What is the area of triangle ABC? Area
Sir,
of
can show the previous page.
needed. Completed. Completed or not? Next, 24, area of triangle ABC is 20. Next, PQR are the midpoints. Midpoints triangle area is how many times?
4.
4 times. So what is the area of triangle PQR?
5.
Fourth of area of triangle ABC, that is 5. Centroid 3 times. This is 4 times. Delta 1 is the area of the triangle formed by the centroid and the 2 vertices. Delta 2 is the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints. Then what is the ratio of delta 1 is to delta 2? So if centroid, if you take consider and 2 vertices, then what is the area? Total area by 3. Midpoints 1/4. So what is the ratio? 4:3. Midpoints same, 4 equal parts. Centroid if you consider, and centroid and any 2 vertices. This is total area by 3. So ratio is 4:3. ABCD are the vertices of a quadrilateral such that area of triangle ABD is equals to 2 times area of triangle ACD. This is also easy. Triangle ABD area equals to 2 times the area of triangle ACD. Half modulus area of triangle ABD x1 minus x2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 y1 minus y2 4 minus or minus 2 6 x1 minus x3 minus 3 minus x y1 minus y3 4 minus of 4 8 2 times half modulus determinant area of triangle ACD minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6 8. So total will cancel 1 by 2 into modulus minus 2 into 8 minus 16 plus 6 into 3 18 plus 6x equals to modulus minus 8 into 8 minus 64 minus minus plus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 2x. So this is equals to 6x plus 2 by 2. And modulus minus also you can remove. So 2x plus 70. So modulus 3x plus 2 equals 3x plus 1 by cancelling through. So it is equals to plus or minus 2x plus 7. So 3x if you take plus x equals to 70 minus 169. Next if you take minus 5x equals to minus 71. So x equals to minus 71 by 5. So answer 69 is there. Answer is x value 69. You understand? Just equate the areas 2 times. So you got area means modulus you have to take because we don't know positive or negative. So we are taking modulus. By removing modulus, you will get 2 values. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Next, 27 points are collinear means you can equate the slopes. So slope of AB equals to slope of BC. Or we can equate area of triangle 0. So easy one slopes. So y2 minus y1. 2k plus 2k, 4k minus 2. 1 minus k minus k, 1 minus 2k. Slope of BC, 6 minus 2k minus 2k, 6 minus 4k. Minus 4 minus k plus k. So you cancel minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So cross multiplication minus 5 into 4 minus 20k plus 10. 6 minus 4k into 1 minus 2k. 6 minus 12 minus 4, 16k plus 8k square. What is the quadratic equation? 8k square minus 20 if you take the right side plus 20 plus 4k. This is completed. I will show you. 8k square plus 4k minus 4 equals to 0. So by dividing with 4, 2k square plus k minus 1 equals to 0. So 2k minus 1 into k plus 1 equal to 0. So what are the values of k? 1 by 2 or minus 1?
Sir, on the LHS you can cancel, right?
You can.
By taking 2 common and minus 2 common. If you take minus 2 common, 1 minus 2k will get cancelled.
1 minus 2 k cancellation wrong because this is the solutions we are finding. If you cancel the solution, k equal to 1 by 2 will lose. So cancellation wrong, you have to take common. Directly will get out.
Okay, sir.
While finding the solutions, always you have to write that condition also. Don't cancel the factors. You are asking 26. You did not. 26. Area of triangle ABD equals to 2 times area of triangle ACD.
Oh, ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా కూడా మాస్క్ వేసుకోవాలి ఇంకొక రోజు కొద్దిగా
Completed 26, 27.
Yes, sir.
Anyone writing? Next to 28. Instead of walking along two adjacent sides of a rectangular field, a boy took a shortcut along the diagonal and saved distance equal to half of the longer side. Then what is the ratio of the shorter side to the longer side? Simple geometry. The boy walks along the diagonal. Suppose the length you take A, B, and A greater than B you take. Now what you have to find? Shorter side is B ratio. Then the ratio of the shorter side to longer side. So B is to A we have to find. And what is this one? Root A square plus B square. Next, by walking along the diagonal, he saved the distance equal to half of the longer side. So what is the half of the longer side? A by 2 is here equals to difference between total distance is A plus B. If the boy walks along the length and breadth, this sides, this is the distance A plus B. Diagonal is root A square plus B square. So difference is saves A by 2. So half of the longer side. This is the given condition. So from this we have to find the ratio. Okay, you take A by 2 to this side, A plus AB minus A by 2 is A by 2 plus B equals to root A square plus B square. So squaring on both sides. So A square by 4 plus B square minus plus AB equals to A square plus B square. B square will cancel. A square by minus A square by 4 is 3A square by 4 equals to AB. Here A you can cancel. So we have to find B by A. So B by A is 3 by 4. What is the ratio? Shorter side to longer side we have to ratio. Find the ratio. So 4, 3 is to 4. Okay, understand? We did.
Yes, sir.
Next, a string of length 12 is bent first into square PQRS. I think we did this same problem, same length of 12. Same problem. Here we have to find the ratio. See, classwork problem. What we get? 3 by 2. The right angle triangle. 1 minute. Here isosceles triangle. Okay.
So it's different triangles.
Yes, isosceles triangle. So first string length 12. So it is the first into square. So square length is, so by 4 means 3, 3, 3, 3. So this is PQRS. So area we directly we know 3 square 9. Now what you have to find? Next it is converted into isosceles triangle PQT, so that side PQ is same. So only isosceles triangle. So base is same PQT. So this is 3 and these two are same. Then what is the area of triangle PQRS? So if this is 3, remaining length of 9. 9 means isosceles triangle means this is 9 by 2, this is 9 by 2. Okay. So you can find the height directly by using right angle triangle. This is midpoint, so this is 3 by 2. So what is H? Right angle triangle H square equals to 9 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 square denominator 4, 9 square minus 3 square. 81 minus 9, 70. So what is H value height? root 18 means 9 into 2, so 3 root 2. So what is the area of what we have to find? Area of PQRS square. So area of triangle PQT. So this is 3 square 9 is to area of triangle PQT. Half into base 3 height 3 root 2. So 3 square we can see. So 2 is to root 2. 2 is to root 2 is nothing but 1 is root 2 is to 1. Second option. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Same thing, first square, next isosceles triangle. So total length we know. 12. Okay. Next 30. The line joining A, B is produced to the point M, X, comma, Y, so that AM is to MB is B is to A. Then what is X cos alpha plus beta by 2 equals sin alpha plus beta. A, B is produced to meet the point M such that AM is to MB. So external ratio is given. B is to A. Then what is X cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin alpha plus beta. Points are slow, same. On the same line means you can equate slopes. We'll see slope of AB A sin beta, B sin alpha. So we cannot find the by using slopes. So we have to do another method. A and M B. Then what are the coordinates of M in the B is to A ratio? X equals to MX2. So M means B. BA cos beta minus A cos B alpha, AB cos alpha by B minus A. Similarly, y coordinates AB sin beta minus AB sin alpha by B minus A. The M point is produced. Produced means M is external point, so you have to use action formula for external point. You have to use. So these are the coordinates of A, comma B. How you get it? So X equals to AB common cos beta minus cos alpha by B minus A. Similarly, y equals to AB into sin beta minus sin alpha by B minus A. X cos alpha plus beta by 2. Transformations of AB into cos A minus cos B minus 2 sin beta plus alpha by 2 sin beta minus alpha by by b minus a. Y equals to ab by b minus a sin beta minus sin alpha. U cos beta plus alpha by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. We get x value, y value. Now what you have to find? X cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y sin alpha plus beta by 2. So what is x value? Minus 2a sin beta plus alpha by 2, alpha plus beta by 2, both are same. This is sin beta minus alpha by 2 into by b minus a 10 cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus the second same so plus same plus 2ab by b minus a into y value cos beta plus alpha plus beta by 2. And this is beta minus alpha by 2. So sin beta minus alpha by 2 into sin alpha plus beta. Next I am writing x value and y value. See, first m is produced means external point, so I am using section formula externally. So this is the given coordinates x and y, so I am equating x to y. So AB common, cos transformation. So cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So now we have to find x cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y sin alpha plus beta by 2. So I am writing x value, y value. Now what is the common? Sin beta minus alpha by 2, sin beta minus alpha by 2 common. AB common, b minus a common. So if you take 2a by b minus a into sin beta minus alpha by 2, I think with this method also we will get. What we have? Cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin alpha plus beta. Here cos alpha plus beta by 2. Oh, this is plus 2, this is minus 4. What is the answer? 0. Sino cosu, cosu sino, but this is minus, this is plus. So answer is 0 directly. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you stay on the slide?
What? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Just equate the section formula so that m coordinates will get x, y transformation. So that what we have to find, consider that one and write x value, y value. We get that directly. This is 0. So coordinate system completed. Next to locus. How much time we have? 1 minute. I will start the next one. Completed this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you stay on the slide?
Is that I didn't understand?
Sir, give me 2 minutes.
Write it.
Sir, you can proceed.
What?
Yes, sir, you can proceed, sir.
Okay.